Well, this is turning into a bit of an epic build. If you haven't seen it so far, it's an amp cabinet that I'm building for my bass. So here it is. It's very, very light. It has wheels and a handle on the back. It incorporates a seat as well. That was in the last video, building that. And it's got a Celestion 10-inch driver in it. So the bit we've got left, we've got a couple of little bits left, and one of them is to make a cloth case for it. So I bought this nice, quite heavy duty black fabric, and we're going to attempt to do some sewing and get this on the cab. Sort of got a almost just like waxy feel on the inside, so it's very sort of open. It feels like normal material on this side, but this side just feels it's got some sort of coating on. Maybe that's to do with the waterproofing. It's quite dense and thick though, so it has got an inside and an outside, so I'll be using that on the outside. So here's the plan. Imagine my squeezy salsa bottle is my amp. I'm going to cut 3 panels. So one is going to go all the way over the top. Like that. Then I'll cut 2 more panels, which will be the front and the back. And then just a matter of stitching them together. And when I stitch them together, I'm going to use piping in between just to make it look nice. Finish the edges off. So I think the first plan is to cut those ones out. I don't know how many times I measured that, but it was a lot. I just wanted to keep checking rather than cut it wrong. So I should have 3 bits. That's the long bit that's going to go up and over, and the front and the back. Okay, so let's get the sewing machine out.